Okay, guys. I'm working as well as providing trainings. Is it clear, guys? Okay.
Yeah.
So, and first of all, I'm saying it to you, guys, if you have, see, if you have any background noise or anything, please mute yourself. Okay. Please be mute. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. You can unmute and talk to me. Don't worry about anything. Okay. Subject wise, I'll be free with you.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. I will help you at any point of time. I'll be there with you. Okay. Whatever the doubts you're having, you can ask me freely. Okay. I will explain each and everything in detailed manner. So whenever you're having, even though if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, guys. So shall we start up the session? Right. So we'll start up the session.
Yes.
Observe. Yeah, thank you so much for muting, guys. If you have any doubts, you can unmute and talk to me. Okay, you can ask me questions anytime. Don't worry about that one. Okay. So please observe. Let me open the notes, guys. In generally, in software company, what kind of works we are doing in a software company, guys? See, we are developing projects and releasing products, right or not? Okay, we are developing projects and releasing products. Okay, first of all, we have to understand what do you mean by the project and what do you mean by the product. Okay, we have to understand what do you mean by the project and product. Okay, so with example, I'm trying to explain you guys. With example, I'm trying to explain you. See, for example, okay, I'll take an example of Kuroshi. Example, okay. So you need some pen, Kuroshi. Okay, you need some pen. For that, you don't need a normal pen, guys. You need some special pen. Okay, you need some special pen. So for that, you gave me some requirements regarding that pen. As I told you, you don't need a normal pen, right? You need some special pen. For that, you gave me some requirements like what? My pen color should be red. One tattoo should be there and it should be right in blue color. Like that, you gave me some requirements regarding that pen, right? You gave me some requirement regarding that pen, right? So in this point of time, just observe, I am a pen developer. Okay, in this point of time, just observe, I am a pen developer. Guys, everybody, please mute. If you have any doubts, unmute and talk to me. Everybody. Okay, so I am a.
Her name is
pen-
Khatija. I think she will either join late or not be able to join today, but from next meeting she will. Yes.
Please mute. Sorry for that. See, observe. Please observe. Okay. I am a pen developer. So what I am doing, I'm going to analyze all these requirements. I'm not going to take it as a blindly, guys, right or not? I'm not going to take this one as a blindly. So observe what I am doing. I'm going to analyze all these requirements. And if these requirements are comfortable to me, then what I am doing, I am giving you a quotation like what? So please come after 2 days with the cost called $50. If I gave some quotation means, guys, please observe. If I gave some quotation means you become Qureshi, become client for me, right or not? Why? Because I accepted your project, right? You become client for me. You become client for me. So by taking this example exactly, guys, what do you mean? What do you mean by the project, guys? Project is something which is developed based on client requirement. So I'm going to develop this one based on the client requirement and used by that particular client only. Kiran, there is no sound. You're breaking up. There is no sound.
I think your voice is breaking up a little bit.
Guys, everybody having the same issue? Is my voice is breaking up?
No, I can hear you fine.
It breaks up the odd time.
Maybe
Yeah,
from
yeah.
because everyone able to hear me, guys. Check from your end also. Kiran audio is not connected. Maybe that's what he's not able to. Kiran audio is not connected.
No.
Okay, Aman, please mute. Aman, please mute. Can you hear me right?
Yes.
Please mute Aman. Why? Because little disturbance. If you want any, yeah, if you want, you can. If you have any doubts, you can unmute and talk to me. Thank you so much. Just mute right now, everybody. Thank you. Please mute. Someone is trying to join multiple times, guys. Please mute everybody. Thanks. Okay. Hi, Janiyat.
Yes.
Yeah, please mute Janiyat. I think the disturbance is coming up. Please mute. So if you have any doubts, unmute and talk to me. Okay, guys? Or even you can raise your hand also. React option is there. Okay, thank you so much. See what I'm saying, guys. Tell me. Okay, what do you mean by project? Project is something which is developed based on client requirement and used by that client only, right or not? So this is a project. Okay, project is something which is developed based on client requirement and used by that particular client only, right? That particular client only. Now let's discuss about example. For example, I just went to the banking location to do some transaction, guys. To do some transaction. Like I want to deposit money. Okay. So let's see here. In this point of time, if I went to the banking location, I can directly take the system of bank people and I'm directly accessing. No, right? I just go there. Some person is there. I'm asking you to that person. I want to deposit some money, right? So what that person is doing, they are accessing. If I provide our details, my details, they are doing the transaction. Means what? Bank people, the client only able to access as a end user. We are coming with end user. We are not able to access this particular project. Okay, we are not able to access this particular project, right? Now that is what about project, right? Now let's discuss about product. What is product? Let's see. For example, I'll take an example. Okay, in this point of time, we both are working for one company, right? Guys? Okay, so you can see here we capture in this point of time we both are working for one company, like who is like Muhammad the something, Masoor, or okay, just assume Mansoor or Sirisha, we both are working for one company, right? In this point of time, our company people wants to develop a pen. Okay, our company people wants to develop a pen. So in this point of time, our company people wants to develop a pen, right? In this point of time, as a company employees, what we are doing? Okay, so we are analyzing the market. First of all, which pens are most of the people are using? Okay, we analyzed that these two pens are most of the people are using. Just example only, guys. Assume like Cello and Jetter pens are most of the people are using, right? In this point of time, what we are doing? We capture the best features in those two pens, right or not? We capture the best features in those two pens. With that, with our company, we are also having some own requirement, right? With our company own requirement, we develop one pen and releasing into the market. Okay, company own requirement, we develop this one and releasing into the market. Okay, so can you hear me, guys, or is my voice is breaking?
Yeah, no problem. We can hear properly.
Okay.
Your voice keeps breaking up on my end.
Okay, is it still breaking?
On my end as well.
Okay, is it breaking up?
Yes, it's still breaking up.
Okay, I think let
Better
me,
now.
is this better now? Okay, let me check. Give me a second, guys. Everybody, just
Much
give me
better.
a second. Let me check.
Yeah, it's much better.
Guys, just wait. I'm changing my room. Just wait. Maybe you can hear me properly on that. So hope it is clear for you guys. Hope it is clear for you, right?
It's better,
Yeah, I just sit beside my Wi-Fi.
much better.
Okay, let's see here. Guys, everybody, just observe. So what, Nadine? What is the doubt you're having?
So the question I have, because this is the first time we are attending this training, and I don't know if today was the first session or
Today is the
or
first
maybe I
session.
joined late. So I want to know some introduction, like what kind of training is this? What course we are taking? Is a BI tool, Salesforce, SAP? What is it? I just need to know because I have no idea what this course about and what we are learning. So can you, if you don't mind, can you just give us a little intro, like what we're
So
learning here?
actually, right now we are learning about QA, testing. Okay. So once the project is developed, we need to test it, right or not? So that's a testing QA we are going to discuss it about. Okay.
Okay, so this is
So
PO. Okay, fine.
it's a testing QA. Okay. Right. So let's see here. Okay. So observe, guys. In this point of time, we both are working for one company. So we are going to analyze which pens are more in our company. They want to develop a pen, right? So we have to analyze which pens are most of the people are using. Okay. So most of the people are using, right? So in this point of time, what we are doing, we capture the best features in those two pens. For example, we analyze the cello and jetter pens are most of the people are using, right? So what we are doing, we capture the best features in those two pens. Okay. With that, with our company, we are also having some own requirement, right or not? With our company own requirement, we develop one pen and releasing into the market, right? We develop one pen and releasing into the market, right? So we develop one pen and releasing into the market. Now I will give you some live example, guys, so that you can understand very easily. For example, Facebook is there. Okay. Before 10 to 15 years back, is Facebook is there? I think 15 to 20 years, you can say. It's not there, right? On that situation, Facebook company people wants to develop a website called Facebook. They want to develop a website called Facebook. So on that time, what they are trying to do? They are going to analyze in the market which social networks are most of the people are using, right or not? Okay. Which social networks are most of the people are using. So please observe Facebook. So before Facebook, what are the social networks we are using? Like Orkut in India, we are using Orkut. In US, they are using MySpace, right? On the situation, what we are doing, we capture the best features in those networks, social networks. Okay, we capture the best features in those things. With that, with our company, with our Facebook company, we are also having some own requirement, guys. Okay, with our company own requirement, we develop this one and releasing into the market. Okay, with our company own requirement, we develop this one and releasing into the market. Okay, so please observe, with our company own requirement, we develop this one and releasing into the market. Okay, now let's see here. Now we are connecting with the GoToMeeting, Zoom. These are all best examples for the product, right? They developed and releasing into the market. Now everybody we are using GoToMeeting, Zoom, all these apps, guys, right? Okay, so this is how the work will be processed. Got it? Okay. So,
Sorry, Sirisha. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Hello?
yeah.
Yeah. You were just talking about the pen, then you were talking about the bank. Now you're talking about Facebook. I don't understand this.
See, actually, bank is a project I'm talking about. Okay. Right now, I'm trying to explain product. What do you mean by product like that? Okay. So, with an example, I'm trying to explain you. Right? For example, project means what? You can see. In this point of
But you were
time,
just talking about the pen, and then I heard you talking about the banking. Now you're talking about totally something else.
Facebook example I'm talking about. See, let me explain you from product
But why are
onwards.
you giving Facebook an example when
That's an
you're
example for the product to explain you more clear. This is a live example, right? That's what I'm explaining you. For example, just one more time I will explain you. Product here, what do you mean by product? I just want to explain you. Okay? See, for example, we both are working for one company. Okay? We both are working for one company. Like what? Sana and Sirisha, right? So in this point of time, Sana, our company people wants to develop a pen. Okay? Our company people wants to develop a pen. So for that, what they are doing? First of all, they are not going blindly, guys. Okay, first of all, they are analyzing in the market which pens are most of the people are using. For example, they analyzed that these two pens are most of the people are using, Cello and Jetter pens, right? In this point of time, what we are doing, we capture the best features in those two pens. With that, with our company, so our company wants to develop a pen, right? With our company also, we're having some own requirement regarding that pen, right or not? So with these best features, and with why? Because all people are using these pens mostly, means they find some better functionality, right? Better features. That's what we capture the best features in those two pens. With that, with our company, we are also having some own requirement. With our company own requirement, we develop this one and releasing into the market. Okay. Okay. So we develop this one and releasing into the market. Got it? Now, let's see here. Now I'm taking an example of this one, Facebook. Live example I'm trying to explain you guys, right? So in our day-to-day, we are using Facebook right now. But I'm talking about before 15 years, like 10 to 15 years back, is Facebook is there? No, right? Facebook is not there. So on that situation, Facebook company people wants to develop a website called Facebook. So what they are doing, they are analyzing in the market which social networks are most of the people are using. For example, like before Facebook, what are the social networks we are using, guys? Like Orkut, MySpace, right? So that's what I'm talking earlier also. We capture the best features in those social networks like Facebook, Orkut, MySpace, those one. With that, with our company, we are also having some more requirement. With our Facebook company also, we're having some more requirement. Okay, with that, we capture the best features in those things with our company own requirement. They develop this website and releasing into the market. Now everybody we are using Facebook, right? That is a product only, right? Now we are connecting with GoToMeeting, Zoom. These are all products developed and releasing into the market. Now everybody we are using. Now everybody we are using. Are you clear about this? Okay, everybody we are using. Right? Are you clear? Now, can you please tell me, as a tester, what are you doing in your company level? Tester will test the projects and products. Okay, whether it is working fine or not, or we having any issue or not, like that. Tester will test the projects and products. Okay, whether it is working fine or not, or we having any issue or not, like that. Got it, guys? Is this clear? Okay, now let's discuss about how importance of testing. Okay, so guys, the people who is joined with Zoom, the meeting is going to end within 3 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, the meeting is going to end within 3 minutes. If it is ended, guys, please join again. The people who is joined with Zoom only, go to meeting, no need. Okay, you need to rejoin once the meeting is ended. Within 3 minutes, the meeting is going to end. Like Muhammad, Mansoor, everybody, right? Kurishi. Okay, the meeting is going to end within 3 minutes. After that, you can join one more time. Just directly join. Okay. Right? Now, one second. Are you able to understand what I am trying to say? Huh? Can you hear me, guys? Can you please unmute and talk to me? Can you hear me, or is my voice is
Yes,
breaking?
yes, we can hear you.
Right. So yeah, the meeting is going to end within a minute. If it is ended, please join again. Okay. Now, so please observe. We'll discuss about how importance of testing. Right. Please observe one project. So here, one project is sold off to our company. Okay, a project is sold off to our company. So what is that project? Project is e-banking.